Hi guys, welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Saturday. Yes, it's still Saturday, September the 17th, 2022, and it's weekend, and we have here 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. 4 of them I will do today, and the first one I will have solved is the 3 star Sudoku. We have also the binary for today, the tectonic, but now it's time for the Sudoku with 4 stars. 4 stars Sudoku number 5190. Yes, 5190. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, okay? But for a sorry, let me yeah, 24 printed digits, one less than the previous Sudoku. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. We will see if this is really a 4 stars. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 3 ones. We have here 4 twos. All right, 4 twos. How about the threes? 1, 2, 2 threes, 1 4, or 2 fives, 3 sixes, no sevens. Well, 4 eights, 2 and eights, and 4 nines. So the twos, the eights, and the nines are a majority. Let me see if I can start with the two in this row, first row, the two in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the two should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 2. 2 2. Well, it will be difficult to continue with the 2. How about the 8? Let me see the 8. 8. 8, 8. Well, cannot continue with the 8. Need more information. 8, 8, 8, 8. 8, 8. Yeah. Yeah. The nines. 9, 9. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9. 9, 9. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Need to wait. How about? I need pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers. In the third row, those missing numbers, 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in this big square, so no 1 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 5 it goes there. Alright. Okay. So what are those missing numbers then? In the third row, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, and a 9 is missing. 7, 8, 9, 7, 8, 9. And look, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. Here, 9 in the column next, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. So the 7 and 8 are left. Let me mark those, 7 and 8. Okay, we have a 9 in this column, third column, 9 in the second column. From first column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay. 9, 9. Alright. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this row. No 8 in these two boxes here. And 8 in this last column. So no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 7 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 7, 5, and 4. Okay. And now. 7. Yeah. 7. 5. Thinking. 8. Yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in the third column, so no 8 in these two boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. Yeah. In the first column, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and 8. We have a 7 and 8 in this big square, so no 7 and 8 in these 3 boxes. The 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as spare. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have an 8 in the middle row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, the 7 goes there. So what are those 3 missing numbers? In this column, those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6. Okay, let me mark those. 3, 4, 6. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1. Okay. 1, 1. 1, 1. Alright. 8, 8. Okay. 9. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. No. 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7. 4, 5, 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. Okay. Alright. Well. Still having troubles with my hay fever. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. The 4 goes. And there. 5 in the last column. 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here. Or there. We see a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. Yeah. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6, 3, 4, 6. And look, we have a 3 and a 4 in this column. So no 3 and 4 in this box. The 3 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Alright. Uh-huh. 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 Alright, alright, alright. And now. One, one, four, six. Need a six, six. Ah, we have a pair, I believe. We have a pair. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Five missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 6. We have a 9 and a 6 in the first row. So no 9 and a 6 in these two boxes. We have a 9 and a 6 in the middle column. So no 9 and 6 in that box. So the 9 and the 6 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 9 and 6. 9 and a 6. Alright. Then so three missing numbers now in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7 is missing. 5, 7, and 8 is missing. 5, 7, 8. 5, 7, 8. And look, we have an 8 in this column. So no 8 in this box. So the 8 goes in those two boxes. The 5, we have a 5 in the second row. So no 5 in this box. So the 5 goes together with the 8 as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. So one digit left in this big square for number 7. Here I've marked those two boxes with the 8. We have an 8 in one of those two boxes in this first row. So this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8. Oh, 8 and a 5. We have an 8 now in this column. So no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. Okay, so we have a 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So that row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the column between. Middle column, only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be there, and all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. Okay. Right. How about the 8? And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 8. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row. No 1 there, 1 should be there. 1, 1. Okay. 1, 1. 1, 1. Cannot continue with the 1 now. How about the number? Think. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the second row. No 7 there, 7 should be there. 7. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Well, 3, 4, and 6 should be here. Yeah, we have a 6 in one of those 3 boxes in the first column. We have a 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the middle row. No 6 there, 6 should be there. 6, okay. 6 and 4. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 9 goes there. and all the 6s are used. Not used. No, 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 no. Need to wait. The 9 then. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next to only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. You see here 9 in this last row. So no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh wait, yeah. 2, 2, 2, 2. No, cannot continue with 2. Oh wait, 3, 4. Yeah, 2 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers in the second column are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and the 4, 3 and the 4. We have a 4 in the middle row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 to 4, we have a 3 now in the second row. So no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this column for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here 3 in the middle row, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, no, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here. Or there, we see here 3 in the last row. No 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this last row, 3 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 3. 1 box left in this middle column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6 in this row. 6 in the last row. So the row between, only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. We have a 4 in the last row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 in this last row. 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 1 should be here. 1 in this column. 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in the middle row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Same numbers, I believe, here for this big square. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 and a 7 again. We have a 2 now in the last row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Well. 18 minutes. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this again a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles, the binary and the tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.